Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share the latest and greatest cars in the market. Today, I'm going to talk about the improved 2024 Hyundai Elantra compact sedan, which was just launched for the North American market. Hyundai has updated the design, technology, and performance of the Elantra lineup, which includes the standard, hybrid, N-Line, and N models. Let's take a look at what's new and exciting about the 2024 Elantra. First, let's talk about the exterior design. The Elantra has a new shark nose front design that gives it a strong, wide, and aggressive appearance. The LED daytime running lights are thinner and connected by a metallic bar that runs across the grille. The grille itself has a new two-piece design with a body-colored center element that makes it look more dynamic. The Hyundai emblem is also flat and stainless steel, which adds to the premium feel. The rear of the Elantra has also been redesigned with a new diffuser that features a wide U-shaped silver element. The LED taillights have an H motif that spans across the body, creating a distinctive signature at night. The C-pillar trim also follows the parametric dynamics design theme that Hyundai uses for its vehicles. The Elantra also has new fenders and new alloy wheel designs ranging from 15 to 18 inches. There are also some new color choices, such as Ecotronic Gray, Ultimate Red, Exotic Green, and Amazon Gray. The Elantra's exterior is unique in this traditionally conservative segment, with more unusual creases and details around its body. The car's design style is called Parametric Dynamics, which features three tight lines at the front door that intersect at one point. Next, let's talk about the interior design. The Elantra has received several improvements inside as well. The front door panels are now made of soft touch materials, and there are new color options available. The upper limited trims come with new H-Tex leather seating surfaces, while the cheaper models are likely to retain cloth upholstery. The instrument cluster has been updated to a 4.2-inch digital display, and there are more USB-C charging ports available. The cabin also features wireless smartphone charging, 6 speakers, a digital key, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The Elantra also comes with a 10.25-inch infotainment system for the SEL trims and above, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A Bose audio system with 8 speakers is standard on the limited and N-Line trims. The N model has sport bucket seats with an illuminated N logo for a more sporty feel. Finally, let's talk about the powertrain and performance. The Elantra comes with a gasoline-powered 2.0L engine that produces 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. The base powertrain is a breathless 2.0-liter four-cylinder, but the N-Line model comes with a turbocharged 1.6-liter that offers a bit more zest. The full-on Elantra N model is far more satisfying than the regular Elantra, but it also costs a lot more. The range-topping Hyundai Elantra N has a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 276 horsepower and 289 lb-ft of torque. It's the only Elantra model with a standard 6-speed manual, while an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic remains optional. The Elantra N sprints from 0 to 60 mph in 5.3 seconds and has a 155 mph top speed. The Elantra Hybrid has a naturally aspirated 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor to produce 139 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque. It also has a front-wheel drivetrain and an 8-speed DCT. The Elantra also has more technology and safety features than before. It has new rear-side airbags and a rear seatbelt reminder as standard on all trims. It also has steering wheel haptic feedback that alerts you when you are using features like lane keeping assist, blind spot collision warning, or rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist. The Elantra also has a surround view monitor, a blind spot view monitor, and a parking distance warning system on the limited trim. It also has a digital key that works with both iPhone and Android devices. You can use your smartphone to unlock, start, and control your car remotely. The Elantra also has a vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot and BlueLink Plus connected car technology that lets you access various services and functions through your phone or voice. As you can see, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra is a very impressive sedan that offers a lot of value, style, performance, efficiency, and technology. It is expected to go on sale this fall with prices starting around $21,000 for the base SE trim. The higher trims, such as the N-Line and N models, are expected to cost more. The Elantra Hybrid is expected to start at $24,550 for the blue trim and $29,150 for the limited trim. Please note that these are estimated prices and do not include the factory-to-dealer delivery fee. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the new Elantra and which model you would choose. Thanks for watching and see you next time.